The most successful people in America all share one secret weapon. It is not talent. It is not luck. It is not connections or money. It is pure raw self-discipline. And today, I am giving you the 7 secrets. Warning, secret number 5 is the one most people are too scared to try. If you apply even just one of these today, your entire life will shift. Secret number 1, stop trying to build discipline and start building a new identity. Disciplined people do not say I am trying to work out. They say I am someone who works out. When your identity changes, your actions automatically follow. Every morning tell yourself exactly who you are becoming. Say it out loud. The old version of you was a choice, and so is the new version. You do not need motivation to start. You just need to decide who you are. Decide right now. Who are you going to be from this moment forward? Secret number 2, disciplined people actively seek out hard moments every single day. Every time you choose the hard path over the easy path, you build mental armor. Take cold showers. Wake up before you want to. Do the workout when you feel worst. Your brain is literally rewiring itself every time you push through discomfort. Comfort is the enemy of every great achievement you will ever accomplish. When you train in hard conditions, nothing in real life will ever break you. Do one hard thing today that your weak self would have avoided. Watch what happens. Secret number 3, ruthlessly eliminate every single distraction from your environment. Your phone is the #1 discipline killer in the modern world. Lock your phone away during work hours. Your future self will thank you. Design your environment for success. Make the right choice the easy choice. Secret number 4, never negotiate with yourself in the moment of weakness. The moment you start saying just this once, discipline is already dead. Make your decisions in advance, when you are strong, not when you are weak. Secret number 5, and most people are genuinely terrified of this one. Permanently remove undisciplined people from your inner circle, no exceptions. You cannot soar like an eagle when you are surrounded by people who never fly. Your circle is either your greatest asset or your greatest liability. Choose wisely. Sometimes being alone is the most disciplined and powerful choice you can make. Secret number 6, track everything. What gets measured gets mastered. Track your sleep, your food, your workouts, your money, every single day. A visible streak creates a psychological contract with yourself you will not want to break. Secret number 7, the final and most powerful secret of all. Fall in love with the process, not the result, and you become truly unstoppable. Disciplined people enjoy the daily grind because they know what it is building. Every rep, every early morning, every sacrifice. It is all building something incredible. You are one decision away from becoming the most disciplined version of yourself. That decision starts right now, not tomorrow, right now.